Hello there, my lovelies, and welcome back. I'm again. It has been a while. A little bit busy in the background here. It was my 50th birthday on Boxing Day, and years ago I moved my birthday till the 26th of June. So there's quite a few festivities going on. Today I'm going to talk you through how I've made these amazing dominoes out of hydroflow. So hydroflow is an eco-resin from Resins. You can get 15% off by using my code Chantal15. So that's CHANTAL and the number 15 at checkout. These are water-based resins, and they give a really lovely tactile sort of cementy type finish, ceramic-y finish. You have a really short work time with these, and they set hydroflow sets within an hour. Elichem also do another product called Aquacast, and the difference is that the Aquacast is just supplied, you just get the powder and then you can mix it up using normal water, whereas hydroflow you get a liquid and you get the powder. Anyway, moving on. So how I was absolutely overjoyed I managed to get the depth of colour I was after, and these are actually neon micas, again from Elichem. I think you can get 6 or 7 of these colours for 20 odd quid, plus you can use my discount. So they also do epoxy resins as well, and their products are just amazing, really good, high quality. The beauty as well of these eco-resins is that they are a lot cheaper than epoxy resins, and you don't need as much sort of PPE to work with them. Anyway, that being said, I'll just talk you through what I'm doing here. I'm creating a dirty pour, layering the colours on top of each other. With this particular, and I'm giving it one stir, literally that is it. And I'm just pouring it in now. The trick with this though is also to make sure that you are covering your mould completely and getting all of the little crevices, and making sure that trying to get rid of any bubbles by tapping the moulds and you know, picking up the moulds and letting them drop. That's how you get rid of the bubbles here. And my daughter, perfect timing, is waiting to talk to me, so I will come back in just a second. And I'm back. It's like they instinctively know when you're trying to do something, isn't it? Right. So here I am just scraping out all the colour to ensure that every single scrap is out of those little bowls. That took me a bit of time, and now I'm tapping it and dropping it to get rid of the bubbles. Do this a lot more though than I did. I did a bit more than on camera. I'm attempting to balance these on my knees whilst filming. This is not going to go well, is it? But hey, let's give it a go. Just going to film a tiny bit, and you can see how utterly delicious these are. I mean, just look at these. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. I mean, I just can't believe the colour. I'm so pleased that I managed to get these beautiful neon colours. Very happy with these. They make me smile. Just, I mean, you can probably hear it in my voice, can't you? They just make me smile. I love colour. I really do. So look at these. Look at them. Gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to carry on and demold these. Look at that. Oh, there's quite a few holes in these, unfortunately, but never mind. We'll sort that out. Not quite sure how, but we'll sort it out. Look at that one. Gorgeous. You love it. Anyway, I'll be back. Alrighty, look, here they are in all their gorgeousness. Which one's my favourite? That one's up there, I think. Oh, they're just all so delicious. Right, I've got a bit of sanding to do, but it's not too bad. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.